Well, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year. Today is the 1st of January and I mean to start the year as I wanted to go on. So going out for a ride, going out for a blast. Arranged with a mate to meet up and go to Bradwell-on-sea to the RAF Mosquito Memorial. So if you want to see what that's all about, stick around and watch the rest of the video. So we're here at the RAF Bradwell Bay Memorial with the mosquito behind me. Unfortunately it's too cold to record on the GoPro. I tried switching it on but it switched off very quickly because it's about 5 Celsius on this New Year's Day. But yeah, an enjoyable ride over here. Some lovely roads to get here. What do you think of the roads?
Wonderful. Lots of twisties.
Lots of twisties, yes.
We like twisties.
Yeah, on the way back, I think we'll try a different route. We'll go through the Burnham Bends. You heard of the Burnham Bends?
Yes, I'm aware of
the B1010. So I'll see if I can remember from memory kind of where it goes. And then when we get somewhere, I'll
in Angelo, I trust.
That's a big mistake. So yeah, that was the Mosquito Memorial. Well, the RAF Bradwell Bay Memorial with the mosquito. It's right here on the Blackwater estuary. The River Blackwater is just there, and the North Sea is just over there. And this used to be an RAF base during World War II. And over there is the Bradwell nuclear power station, which is now decommissioned. Unfortunately, it's too cold to film on the bike because the GoPro battery just dies after a few minutes when it's this cold. It's about 5-6 Celsius, so the battery just doesn't last very long. But yeah, this is a nuclear reactor, Bradwell, that's now decommed, not in operation anymore. Just paying for the nuclear hazard and radioactive hazard and waste to be managed, I guess. So yeah, not sure if this is going to make a video at all, and if it does, and if you watch it, I want to thank you very much for watching it. I hope you have a wonderful 2024, and yeah, start making some plans for 2024. There are some things already in the works. There's a trip to Scotland with a Twisty Mountain crew. Probably we'll do another trip to Fallen Bray this year. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, apart from that, not really many plans. What are your plans for the year? Let me know in the comments below. And I hope to catch you in the next one. But for now, from Bradwell-on-Sea, this is NooBiker.